Hi everyone, and welcome to the Social Stack, your go-to channel for social media and marketing resources, tips, and tricks. I'm Amy Stack, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Google form so that you can do lead capture at client events. There's a few different ways to get into it. I'm going to show you how to do it straight from your Gmail account. So when you go in your account on Gmail, you'll see 9 little dots up in the top right-hand corner. And you click on that and you'll get the menu of the G Suite options. You want to go into your Google Drive. Looks like a little triangle, so you'll just click on that Drive button. And once that goes, you can start with the New button in the top left. So go ahead and click New. So we have that, sheet slides. You want to go ahead and hit More here, and I'm going to choose Forms. Here we go. Here's Untitled. So we change it to Sign In. The event name. And that's just for your records. The public won't see that. You can see as I changed it up in the top, reflected here as well. So there's a lot of things you can do here on forms. See, there's a little plus button over here to add questions, and it's added one right away. For sign sheet, a first user name, maybe first name. And this is testing off the so you get back to the multiple choice. So you want to leave it as a short answer. You do this to your required field. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that button. And when they are typing in their response to this form, they will have a little red asterisk, and it will not let them submit it on any unless all of the items you marked required are filled out. I'm going to copy this. I want the same question for last name. Okay, you can put surname if you want, whatever best for you. So I got first name, last name. We'll hit copy again. I want their phone number. And now this is up to you if you want to make this required or not. There's some options down here too, so I can change it to number, text, length. It's in here. We want them to put in numbers, not letters. Okay, so you have some other options here. We just want to leave it as is number for a phone number, and then they'll be able to type that in. Go ahead and copy that again. And now you could ask for address, you could ask for town, whatever it is that you want to have from them. You don't have to put this on there at all. If you don't want to, it's your lead capture form. See how it thinks that we might want a paragraph for that. I still want to leave a short answer, so I'm just going to click that drop down and choose a short answer. Some people like to do something like, how did you find out about this event? And for this one, see again, it noticed right away automatically changed that to multiple choice. So if it didn't, you again just choose that down. You can see there's a bunch of options in here. But multiple choice is perfect for how did you find out about this event. You could do Facebook. You could do word of mouth. There's lots of different ways. You can always leave the add other option, which means you'll get them to click other, and if they do, they can type in what that is. I'm just going to leave those 3 for now. I think you guys can understand how that works for how to find out about the event. Go ahead and copy again. And one of the things I had suggested was to add these people to your a monthly newsletter or an email campaign or something of the sort. So you want to ask a question. You need to do that as a permission-based. So you can say something like, would you like to receive you know, product updates, or in real estate, you know, local market statistics, something like that. Would you like to join my monthly newsletter? Whatever it is that you want to ask, you can put that in here. And you can put yes, no, oops. And we'll leave it at that. I like to also add, just to say, on this one, I like to add maybe, tell me more. You don't have to say maybe, you can say, I'm not sure, tell me more, maybe, something along those lines. Some people might know a little bit more before they agree, and if they're only given the option to say no, just click no. So you can reorder them as well. You can hover over the questions here. I can see little dots on the left, and if I could click all those, I can reorder the questions. I also have an option on any of our, I believe every time you have a questionnaire like this, there's a button here to add an image that would help with that. You could do that as well. And you can upload it from your computer or your photos that are already in your drive. I don't need to add any photos. So let's see, we have phone, name, address, how you want to receive weekly updates. So that's a pretty basic form. If you can add as many questions as you want if you feel necessary. I would keep it short and sweet. You don't want people to get frustrated with having to fill out a 20-page survey before they can attend your event. So once you're done, you don't have to hit save. You're in Google Drive, so it's safe. Once you're done with the questions here, you can come up to the top right and customize your theme. Right now, everything's purple. So you can see I choose between different colors here. And I can change my fonts. A little small. And I could add a header image. You can use Canva or design program to create a little header image there. Then once you are done, this looks like open up, right? And to a so this is exactly your recipients would see the form, obviously on their phone or a tablet. It look a little slimmer. Go back to the edit page. Other intricacies of Google Forms as far as receiving updates and alerts and stuff like that. You want to play around with those. You can go in settings to do that. The important thing to know is once you do receive a response, you come into that same Google form where you created the questions, and right next to that question button on the right of it, you'll see response. So as responses come in, they will fill right into this form, and you can see this little symbol here that indicates that it's going to look like you can access it through a spreadsheet if that makes it easier for you as well. So everything's in the same form. You don't have to go to two different places, but that is your basic setup of the form. I can do more tips, like more intricacies of how Google Forms work. But that's your basic sign-up form. I'm going to end the video here. I am going to make another video on how you can make a short link or a QR code to have people have easy access to this for a touchless sign-in process experience. So thank you guys for taking a look. Again, I'm Amy Stack. This is The Social Stack. Please like and subscribe to make sure you get alerts for those future updates. Hope you learned something today.